So guys, welcome to H-QTV. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to bridge ICE from BNB to ICE Open Network to their own mainnet. So how do we do that? First thing, make sure that you have Mrs. app on your phone. So if you have it on your phone, just click on it. So just search for ice.io, ice.io. So that's what you are going to look for. Then tap it at the top. So after you click on it, you are going to see a Siri menu icon by my right side at the up. So click on that, the Siri dot icon, then click on mainnet. Once you click on mainnet, you are going to see bridge. So once you see bridge, just click on it, bridge. So as you can see, so this is the bridge page. You are going to see connect wallet. After that, you are going to enter your ICE amount. Then you are going to see the one that you are going to receive, and you are going to see ION Chine receiver address. Then you are going to click on transfer. So let me connect my wallet. Can just refresh the page if yours is not connecting. Click on connect wallet. So once you click on that, it's going to bring up MetaMask, but make sure that you add MetaMask to your Mrs. browser. So add this, it's just through your freeze key. So connect. You are going to see that it's connecting. As you can see, it has connected. Enter your this thing, the amount of value that you want to transfer, 50. So you want to transfer 50, let me say 5. I want to transfer 5, 10. Okay, let me say I want to transfer 11. So I'm going to receive 10.5 ION, and the chain, I think there's no chain here. So just click on transfer. So how do you find the chain? So for you to create your ION wallet, so just come to ice.io, click on the 3 dots, click on mainnet, and click on wallet. So once you click on mainnet, you are going to see add to Chrome. So once we added this to Chrome, as you can see, so after added, just come to extension right here, click on ION wallet. It's going to load. Then you are going to create a new wallet. I'm going to type in my password for me to be able to use. So after typing your password, just click on create. So after you create your wallet, you are going to see your discovery freeze key, CVs, and just enter the word. I think it's just 25 words. So just write it according to how they bring it up for you. So as you can see, so this is my wallet now. This is my wallet right now. So not connected. One is connected to this says you can fill your account address and something you can see. So what I want to do now is that I'm going to copy the address. So I want to receive, I'm just going to copy. So once I copy it, I'm going to go back to this place. So this is the receiver. I'm going to paste the wallet address, and I'm going to send. Into click on transfer. So this is how you are going to bridge ION from BNB to ION, that is ICE Open Network, their own network. So I'm going to refresh this. So I'm going to connect to wallet again. That is 10.5. So I'm going to enter the wallet address that I copied from ION site. I'm going to click on transfer. So I think maybe I don't have maybe enough of maybe BSC gas fee. So I don't think I have the enough of it. This is how you are going to transfer to your ICE Open Network. So this is how you are going to transfer to it. So once you transfer to it, this is how you are going to bridge from BNB or BSC to ICE Open Network. So once you bridge finish, after you finish bridging, just come to extension and click on your iSuper network wallet. So this is your wallet now. So you can refresh. You want to refresh. Once you refresh, you are going to see it here. So as you can see, so this is my account mainnet. You are going to see the activities here. So this is it. So I've not received it. I don't think I have the enough of gas fees for BSC, but this is how you are going to bridge from BSC to iSuper network mainnet. And also you have to have a ION wallet. So I think I've the how to create this in this video, and don't forget to save your phrase key. I think this is the end of this video. So if you're really enjoying this video, just give it a thumbs up, like this video, and make sure that you subscribe for another update about iSuper network, about online project that I'm going to make once the app come out on Google Play Store. And I'm going to see you in the next video. If you have any question, just drop it under the comment section. I'm going to get back to you. See you in the next video.